All right, it's Monday morning. The guys are working hard over the weekend. They got the rebars all installed in one day. Let's go have a look. The grid size is 16 by 16, 15M rebar. All the verticals into the footings hooked in. Those items in red, those are the anchors, the tie downs for the seismic restraints. They're taped up so they don't get all mucked up during the concrete pour. Just by chance, the engineer popped by already this morning. He came in early and inspected the work, so we're good to go. We called inspection for tomorrow afternoon, and concrete being lined up for later on this week. Things are on schedule, things are looking good. Once these boards are stood up in place, these easy tie strips are also placed into the holes, and the horizontal bar slides through these holes, and this stops the forms from bursting open on both sides. Later on, once this concrete has been set in place, these are hammered out and they're stripped off, hence the name Easy Strip Ties. So now we have the engineer's approval to close up the forms. We can call the inspection for the forms, which will take place tomorrow afternoon. We can book concrete, and the entire week is predictable. We can have this whole place stripped and ready for the damp proofing and drain towel by Friday morning. This is great timing because we passed our inspection for our temporary power pole only a couple of days ago, and already they're coming to hook it up. And this is the way they do it. In the past, it would take up to 10 days or more to get the temporary power installed. This time around, less than a week. All right, check this out. We've got the boards all put up, the form ties are in, just doing the last minute bracing and double checking, and we're ready for inspection. Concrete's been booked for tomorrow. Let's go.